Never, never, never give up. Most people give up. They quit. You know why? Because they feel uncomfortable. They don't want to be uncomfortable. They want comfort. And because of that, they quit. As simple as that. But then my question is, then why the hell you started? You know that it will be so difficult, so uncomfortable. Then why the hell you said I will start? My one question always stand that if you quit something or give up, then why the hell did you started? Are you crazy? You know that you are a loser, then why the hell you are a start? Don't start. If you start, finish it. A quote, someone said to me a quote that, saying that, if a successful man starts something, they never stop. They do forget about how to stop. They just run and run. A lazy person who start but doesn't finish. A lazy person. He starts but doesn't finish. So you have to understand, do you want to be a successful person or you want to be a loser or lazy guy? As simple as that. So always remember, whatever you are trying to do, this is the most important thing, that always stick to one thing. Stick to that thing. Don't quit. I always see, only two things happen. Either you win or you quit before winning. Only two things will happen. Otherwise, nothing will happen. Only two things happening whatever you start. And there is nothing three, only two. You win or you stop before winning. So never ever stop or quit. If you start something, always remember, just keep working. No matter what. Yes, it might be difficult and it must be difficult to don't achieve. It must be difficult so that nobody can achieve. And you have capabilities. And if you don't have capabilities, then build it. You don't know your potential. Everyone have so much potential that they can use and they can do anything in their life. It's upon you. You can do it. Believe me. Just give a try. And then you would amazed by looking at your past self, that what the hell, I'm like him for real. So that you have to understand, never give up. As simple as that. Write this thing in bold and everywhere. Never give up, never give up, never give up. And remember, never give up doesn't mean that you will always run. No, absolutely not. If you are punching a wall and you are thinking that I will destroy this wall by my punches, then you have to give up. Because the wall is so strong. This made of strong cement. So you can't break it. You can break your knuckles, but you can't break the wall. So you have to give up. So listen. There is a thing that you can't do. It is impossible that you can break with your hands. So in this case, you have to give up. You can't say, no, bro, I want to destroy. Yeah, no, it's not like that. You can't destroy. It's very difficult to destroy. Might be take like hell years of your life, like 15, 20 years to break that wall, because then your knuckle will be so strong. But it will take so much time. So you have to give up that. There is no point of breaking a wall. That is totally meaningless. That you will break a wall, then what? then what? Nothing will happen. Are you getting my point? So do something which is really so meaningful that you will do, and then you would say, yes, this is something which I really like to do. I will do anything for that. Like I can destroy my sleep. I can destroy anything for this. So always remember, always. I can do anything for this wonderful, meaningful work. I love my work. I'm always excited for my work. I don't want to give any leave. I just want to do my work and make your work so meaningful that if you do, and when you are on your deathbed, so you're thinking about and you have no regrets, I did really good. I love my life. I done all things. So that is your desire. You must have this type of desire that I will work. Lots of spiritual gurus says, be calm, don't do anything. But in reality, they can't sit quietly. It is so difficult. Yes, it is so difficult to sit quietly, saying nothing at all. It is so difficult. That's why I'm saying do work. Work will give you peace of mind as well as money, a empty mind, a busy schedule. You will be away from thoughts because you don't have time to think about those things. Are you getting? So, never give up. Never give up. Yes, you might be face lots of difficulties. Of course, you will. In order to get success. And always try to struggle. Challenge yourself every single day. Challenge it. That you bastard, you can do it. I believe in you, bastard. I believe in you. Say these things to yourself. That you can do it, anything. Just learn, act. See results, take feedback. And just grow and grow. Are you seeing? Very simple. It is very simple. You just need to do or learn as you want. Just go for it. Don't wait for anybody who will come and will help you. I don't believe in this concept that anybody will come. Nobody will come. This is the harsh reality of life. And I don't think anybody will come. And why the hell anybody come to you for your help? You are not a special guy. You are not a special guy. Then why anybody will help you? Why? So, it's upon you. You have to do it. You have to do it. And you have no any right to give up. Now you have lots of time to do. You have no responsibilities. You have clothes, shelter, food, internet. And you can do lots of things. You just need little money and just invest in something like learning. It can be anything. And you can do it. In the end, only one thing is matter that you really want to do. Because you know why most of people quit? Because number one thing is they feel uncomfortable and they don't know result, and they are not convinced that if I do work, I will achieve something. They don't believe in themselves. These are points, that's why they give up. And number one thing is discomfort. Nobody likes discomfort, even animals. And that's why we should not chase comfort for now. We have to chase difficulties. It is so uncomfortable that you are recording something, you are saying something, you are doing something. It is so uncomfortable. Everyone want to sleep 10 hours, 12 hours. Nobody want to wake up at 5 a.m. It is so difficult though. Nobody want to wake up so early in morning. Nobody wants. So, you have to understand this. You have to understand, bro, in the end, I have to do it. I have no one. Abu Nepo kids, we can't say anything. But we don't have anyone. Nobody will support us. We have to do by our own. And if you think, yes, bro, you are saying right, then take action. And if you are taking action, then never give up. If you fail 10 times in a row, then try again, fail better. You already heard this quote by someone. So, never give up. Always try to fail better. Like someday you fail 10, 1 or 2 times, then if you fail again in same thing, that is not better failure. That is bad failure. Like you are not learning from your mistakes. So you have to learn from your mistakes. If you are saying, bro, I will never give up, but you repeat your mistake again and again, what the fuck? For real? That is totally bullshit. That you are repeating your mistakes and improving none. So, I'm saying, learn. Make mistakes, but don't repeat them. Try to write those mistakes in your copy or paper, and then always put those mistakes in your mind that I will not repeat. I can't repeat these mistakes. If I repeat them, I am really a bastard who is just copying that I will never give up. But he is not consistent, he is not disciplined, he is not giving his efforts and thinking, bro, I'm not getting results, I will quit. It is so uncomfortable, but I do it anyways, but I'm not getting results. Then why the hell I will do? I don't like that shit. Bro, you're not giving your enough potential. You're not giving your enough effort. If you're giving 10 effort, then you will get 10 result. 10% result and 10% effort. As simple as that. If you accept, bro, I will get 100% result and you're giving just 10%. Are you real? How crazy is this? Just think about it. How pitiful is this? Are you silly guy? You don't give up, but you are saying, I'm not getting enough result, and you're giving just not enough effort. So simple formula is give 100%, your 100% effort, 100%, and then accept 50, 70 or 80% of result. Yes, most of people give their 110%, but they get 70, 80, and you are giving just 100%. So, always try to make your expectations lower, so that if you get lower results, then you don't get depressed or, oh bro, I didn't get good results. Are you getting my friend? So now you understood that I don't have to give up. Yes, I feel difficulties, but that doesn't mean I will stop. I just need to keep working. Only 2 things will happen. Either I win or I stop before winning.